Have you ever searched for something on Google and wanted to quickly remove it from your history? In this video, I'll show you how to delete the last 30 minutes of your Google search history in just a few taps. First, open the Google app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several account options. Here, look for Delete Last 30 Minutes. If you recently searched for something you'd rather remove, simply tap on this option. Google will immediately begin deleting your search activity from the past 30 minutes. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation that the process has been completed. If you'd like more control over your search history, tap your profile picture again and select Search History. From here, you can view all of your recent searches and manage them individually. You can also tap Delete and choose options like Delete Today, Delete a Custom Range, or Delete All Time if you want to clear a larger portion of your history. This is a great way to keep your searches private and keep your Google account a little cleaner. And that's all there is to it. Deleting your recent Google searches only takes a few seconds and can be done anytime directly from the Google app.